So here's a little video of the outside. I'll show you the front. A little car there. There's the driver's seat, which I want to obviously keep, but just make more attractive. So this would be obviously the front door, which I'd like to get like an opening outwards door, something a little bit more secure and attractive. This would be, hopefully I'd see it as the kitchen. Maybe block that door off so that the kitchen could run all the way along. Here's the electricity cupboard, which will be, that's for all the solar panels and to connect all the plug sockets and things too. We do have lights at the moment. Little lights. So then what we thought might be this one window, just as a toilet, maybe a composting toilet. Nice maybe wood stove here. Lovely seating area, so I was thinking a big sort of sofa here, sofa along the back, and maybe somewhere for the TV to sit on. So it's a like nice little L-shaped seating area, and a kitchen along here. And then you go upstairs. I started on the floor, but I haven't quite finished. So what I was thinking is a nice king-size bed, and then have where that line is, have a walkway sort of here, and then maybe like an ottoman bed, maybe some drawers at the end, something you can put your telly on maybe. Thinking maybe a bath, sort of just there, just in the open. There's a lot more potential upstairs because there's much more room. I was thinking maybe a cupboard above the stairs for like the boiler and things. Maybe like a wardrobe type thing here. I was also thinking maybe like a little trap door, or maybe a door so that you can keep the heat in upstairs. And a nice seating area or something here again.